Hello everybody. Today I will present the way how to configure IP into the devices in GNS3. In the course of CNS in the labs, number 2, we have a requirements to connect the two routers and one PC. And now I open GNS3. Here I open a new project. And then I have added some routers C7200 here. And I also have a computer, Linux computer, have added before. So this is for the presentation. Okay, first I add the first router there, and I add another router, and then I add a PC, a Linux PC. Okay, the first stage of all these devices are off. So first I will configure the router number 1. I will open configuration. Now I have some slots here. It means that where we plug the cable. So I change the first slot, the 0 slot, to fast Ethernet. Apply. Okay. And I also configure now I will start the device, enter into the controls environment. Okay, this is the interface that we communicate with the device. I made some enter. Now I go into the global mode by enter the line that config T to enter. Okay. No, that's not correct, because if we want to see the configuration of the port on this device, so first we have to exit into, and now we show we enter the line that show IP interface brief. Okay, we have some connection here. Fast Ethernet and serials 1/0. So we need two this slot for connecting the devices. Okay, now we go into the global mode. Config T. Okay. Now we have to enter the lines for IP. Okay, interface fast internet 0/0. Here to the line. Oh, I forgot that. Interface Ethernet. Interface Ethernet 0/0. Here, over 0 here. Okay, enter. Now the line is not correct. So let's check it again. interface fast Ethernet. Sorry, interface fast Ethernet, because my device has no Ethernet, just fast Ethernet and gigabit Ethernet. So when we enter Ethernet, so the device cannot recognize the port, so it's not an error. 0/0. Okay, so I enter the net IP address. The line is IP now into a line IP address, and I enter the address and then the subnet mark. Okay. By 255.255.255.0. Okay, and then no shutdown, no shutdown. Okay, and then I exit. I go into the IP. Now I configure the serial port interface serial. Serial 0.1. Okay, IP address 1.2.1.12.1 and subnet map 255.255.252. Enter. Okay, no shutdown, no shutdown. Okay, change the state to up. Okay. Okay, that's all for the router 1. Now I continue to configure the router 2. Okay, we enter the router 2 here. We also enter here console, right click. Okay, start first and console mode. Now we something brief. Let me see and remember. So IP interface. Okay, enter the show IP interface brief. So IP interface brief. Okay, no IP has set before, so I enter the global mode config T, enter. Okay, IP interface, no IP interface serial 1.0. Okay, set IP address point 0, point 1, point 12, point 2, and subnet mask 255.255.252. Enter. Okay, no shutdown. Okay, that's it. To see the information I have config. No, not I have config. To see the information, so we asset net. Okay, so IP interface brief. Okay, we have the address here, and up. Oh no, it's down. Down means that the cable is not unplugged. Okay, so now we connect the cable, so we check again. Okay, cable serial 1, connect this. Okay, serial 1. Okay, so IP interface, so okay, up. So mean that the cable is connected. So IP interface brief. So we have a two line, the fast internet and serial. Okay, fast internet now. So we connect the cable. Fast internet, connect this internet. Okay, we start the device. We check again. So IP interface brief. Okay, it's up. Now we configure the Linux PC. Okay, DC to enter the admin sudo. Let me see. Now we set the IP. For the IF config, Ethernet at 0 1.2 168 100.1 24 up. We set the okay, and then now we try by ping to the router 1. Okay, ping. Ping is okay. The ping is okay. No, I haven't set the default gateway, so maybe the in the first lab we have set the default gateway. Let me check. How can we check the IP address? IF config. Okay, we have a subnet map here. Okay. We have to enter to the line root at default gateways by 100. Okay, we ping. So we ping the first router through the cable Ethernet. Okay, but if we ping the serial port without default gateway, so cannot be connected. So now I have entered the default gateway. So now we can ping the IP for the serial port. It's okay now. Port 1.12.1. It's okay now. If we ping before we add the default gateway, so the connection is not cannot communicate, but now it communicates. Okay, that's all for my lab. Thank you. Okay, I can ping this.